If you're a first-year student, you are very likely playing Suzuki Book 1. This is Song 2 through 8 of Suzuki Book 1, played with a little help from me in 10 minutes, your 10-minute Suzuki Book 1 practice for beginners. All right, turn a metronome on here for French folk songs going to start us out. Open D, fourth finger D. Let's make sure we are in position before we start. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Move your fourth finger to the D string. Keep your pinky on the A string. Keep your first finger down through this whole thing. Hold your fourth finger, hop it. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Hold your fourth finger down. Here we go with lightly row. Open G, fourth finger G. Lift your pinky. 1, 2, lightly row. Hold your fourth finger down. Hold your third finger down. Hold your third finger down. Hold your fourth finger down. One, two, lightly row. Great, next is Song of the Wind with a start. Open D, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your fourth finger down. Put all four fingers on the D string. 1. Put 2, 3, and 4 on the D string. Down, lift. Great. All right, let's do Go Tell Aunt Rhody. A little slower. Open G, fourth finger G. Lift your pinky. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Fourth finger down. Bring it back. Hold it down again. One more time. Go. little children. Open G, fourth finger G. Lift the pinky. 1 and 2. Hold your third finger down. Keep it down. Third finger, touch this D string the whole time. Double up bow. We go with the repeat. 1 and 2. Double up, rest. Rest. Number 7, May song. Open D, fourth finger D. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth finger down. Keep your fourth finger on the D string. Hold the 3. Keep the third finger down. Keep the fourth finger down. Here's the repeat. Hold it. First finger stays. Third finger stays. And Allegro. Open D, fourth finger D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift the bow. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Again. Beginning. 3, 4. Great job. Congratulations. If you've done this, I think you've conquered a big challenge. This is Cello 101, I would say. And you should feel accomplished if you get through these songs at these tempos.